Whoa! They are getting pulled into the screen along with Murata Boy. The pair and Murata Boy have arrived in Murata's world of adventure. They walk cautiously through the door, following Murata Boy. Beyond the door, a town lies before them. A resident approaches them and starts talking. This is the Mura town. This is where Murata Manufacturing innovates all sorts of things. Murata used to make ceramics to keep electricity from passing between power lines and poles, but now our products are all around us. We have since developed new and innovative ceramics, and now we make electronic components. These include capacitor, which store and discharge electricity and act as electrical dams to stabilize mechanical movement. Saw filter, that distinguish between radio waves and pass only the necessary waves. And MetroCirc, thin circuit boards that can be bent into complex shapes. We make many electronic components that make electrical appliances safer and more convenient to use. Now here's a quiz for you. Which of the following use Murata components? 1. Television sets. 2. Game consoles. 3. Smartphones. 4. Automobiles. Oh, I know that one. The answer is number 2, game consoles. Actually, all the answers are correct. Really? Murata parts are indispensable not only for this town, but for people all over the world. Murata also has affiliated companies around the globe. Through manufacturing, we contribute to happy, healthy lifestyles of people worldwide. Here's a reward for you. Go visit the Murata plant next. Yay! The two received a big drone. As soon as they hop onto it with Murata Boy, the drone starts spinning its propellers vigorously, soaring high into the sky. In the sky, they find the Murata plants. The drone heads into the capacitor plant. As they enter, engineers approach them. Welcome to our plant. Here, we manufacture tiny components called capacitors. Capacitors are produced by first making the material powder into sheets, then stacking together multiple layers of the sheets. By focusing on materials and manufacturing methods, we were able to make the world's smallest capacitors with high performance. Here's a quiz for you. If all the capacitors Murata makes in a year are lined up, how long would they stretch? 1. The length of Japan's coastline. 2. 5 times the circumference of the Earth. 3. 15 times the circumference of the Earth. I think the answer is number 1, the length of Japan's coastline. Actually, the correct answer is number 3, 15 times the circumference of the Earth. Wow! Murata makes an unimaginably large number of capacitors, more than 1 trillion per year. We have another reward for you two. Take a ride in this flying car. Yay! The two are rewarded a flying car. As soon as the two get into the car with Murata Boy, the car speeds up and takes off into the sky. After a while, they see a forest up ahead. As they enter the forest, some strange square creature starts talking to them. Welcome to the Murata forest. I'm Murata Capacitor, an electronic component made at the plant. We are used in many electrical appliances that you are all familiar with, such as TVs, smartphones, and video game consoles. Now, here's a quiz for you. What do you think is the advantage of making capacitors like us smaller in size? 1. You can make smaller electrical appliances. 2. You can add more functions to electrical appliances. 3. You can reduce the amount of energy used in factories. 4. You can make environmentally friendly products by reducing the amount of resources used. This is a tough one, but I think the smaller the capacitors become, the smaller electrical appliances we can make. That makes sense. Then the answer must be number 1. Thanks, you two. Actually, all of the options are correct. Wow! With so many of our products being used in electrical appliances, Murata is enriching people's lives. Not only that, but Murata's manufacturing is very eco-friendly. We focus on creating innovative products with the goal of contributing to a sustainable future, where everyone can continue living on this planet peacefully. Murata is awesome! I bet the Earth is happy too! Take me along on your adventure! And this is how the two have achieved the Murata capacitor. After the capacitor joined, a large door appeared in front of them. It seems to lead to the future world. Let's all go see the future together! As they walk past the door, a scene they have never seen before appears before their eyes. This is the future world, where people's lives have become more prosperous, thanks to innovative products manufactured by Murata. I'm sure that someday, mind-blowing things like flying cars, robots that look like people, or even things like solar power generation in space will be created. Take a look at this, too. In this world, cutting-edge technology is being used to grow fruits and vegetables. Robots are assisting people, and remote-controlled medical treatment is helping people. Wow, that's awesome! I want to live in a world like this. Come and join us at Murata in our efforts to create a prosperous future. Hold on. Could that be? It's the two of them in the future. They seem to be working happily at Murata. It seems the two were having the same dream. I learned that Murata is amazing. I want to find out more about Murata.